friends, today we are going to study a very interesting topic, perimeter and area. So let's start with perimeter. Now if you want to do the fencing of your garden, and you can see my board, there is a tape in the boundary, tape at the boundary. Now you can see this taping is done. This taping is not in the mid, this is in the boundary. So if you want to find out how much tape I need to cover this board, or how much length of wire is needed to cover the fencing of my garden, so how will I say? If I went to the market, I will have to tell this much of tape or the wire I want. So this will be done using perimeter. So perimeter is the length of boundary of a plane figure. Fine. So if you want to calculate the fencing or taping, there we are going to use the concept of perimeter. Perimeter is basically length of the boundary. If this is the shape, so we can find out its length, this and this. So if this is the breadth and this is the length, fine. So it's a rectangle, so its length, its perimeter will be this length plus breadth plus this length plus breadth. Fine. So in order to avoid all these calculations, we go for the systematic way of finding out these terms. How? Let's discuss. Now let us take three figures: perimeter of a rectangle, square and triangle. Now in case of this rectangle, what will be the perimeter? So we have two lengths, this one and two breadths. So 2L plus 2B. 2 times L, this and 2 times of B. So it will be 2 times of length plus breadth. So this is perimeter of a rectangle. In case of square, this, if I denote it with P, side will be, this is 4 times side, side plus side plus side plus side. So it is 4 multiplied by side. And in case of triangle, we have 3 sides, side plus side plus side. So it will be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So it is the sum of all sides. How we are going to use these formulas? Let us take few examples. This is a rectangle. So the formula for perimeter is 2 multiplied by L plus B. Fine. So it is 2 multiplied by L is 31 and B is 22. So it will be 2 multiplied by, you add them, you will get 53 and multiply it, 3 to just 6, 5 to just 10. Fine. And what will be the unit? It's a length, so centimeter. Fine. Here it is 4 multiplied by side. So it is 4 multiplied by 12. 48. What is its unit? Meter or centimeter? So it is centimeter here. Here it will be side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So it will be 11 plus 12 plus 16. So the answer will be 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3. So it is centimeter here, so centimeter. Fine. So this way you can calculate the length, breadth and perimeter of the any thing in this is area. What is an area? As perimeter was the boundary, the area is the surface enclosed in the plane shape. For example, if this is our shape, so in this, what is the surface enclosed? This, the area, this is the surface enclosed inside it. So this is the area of this. Now if, like for example, if you want to paint a wall, there you are going to calculate the total area, not the boundary. So if you are involved with boundary, then calculate perimeter. In case of area, you are going to calculate the inner surface. Fine. What will be the unit? If you want to, if this is a surface, so area will be area of a square. If I take square, if this is a square, it is side, so its area will be side multiplied by side. So what is the unit of side? If I take it centimeter, it will be centimeter multiplied by centimeter, so it will be centimeter square. Fine. So if this is the unit of the area, so it may be centimeter square or meter square or kilometer square, or you can say mm square, millimeter square. So anything can be the unit depending on the unit of the length and breadth. Area of a square, you know that this is your square with side, so it is side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side is the area of the square. Fine. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth is the area of the square. Fine. In short form, we can write it like area is equal to, this is S multiplied by S in case of square, and area is equal to L multiplied by B in case of rectangle. So if you want, from this, if you want to calculate the length, it will be area upon breadth. If you want to calculate the value of this B, then it will be A upon L. These are the two formulas that we have find out from this area. To few examples. Find the area of the following. 12 is length and 3 is breadth. So area is equal to L multiplied by B. So it will be 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36 centimeter square. This is very important to write down the square. Here is equal to side multiplied by side. So it will be 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144 centimeter square. Don't forget to write the square. This way you can find out the area. Like if